Here's the entry. And the closet's gonna... I wonder how the closet's gonna be.
I don't know, but let's go out and look out here, Phil.
There's a little powder room. Look at the view, eh? Holy shit.
Mm. I know, it's just gorgeous, eh?
Unfriggin' believable.
I can't believe how warm it is in here, too.
I know.
Done a great job insulating. That's where the fireplace is going to go.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
You know what I mean by the wood paneling? You know what I mean? Don't you see that more than the cultured stone? I mean, cultured stone is very beautiful, too. I mean, there's no doubt about it.
Yeah,
Here's
let's
our
see.
bedroom.
Here's the bedroom.
So we wake up in the morning, we got the sun right there.
And you got the big windows looking up the lake again. You're going to get lots of breeze in here, which is
Yeah.
really nice.
Well, I made
For
sure.
once, Phil, it's going to be a cottage with some,
Oh, yeah.
where you can sleep with some fresh
You
air.
know what we can do, though, David, in the summertime?
And
If
here's,
this is all screened in, we can have these French doors wide open.
oh, that's
at night.
perfect, yeah. And then, down here, is the stairs going downstairs. And here's the basement. Here's the house.